Hi guys, so today we're talking about two-way tables. So two-way tables work quite similarly to Venn diagrams. The thing about two-way tables, they're a little bit easier to understand, but they are limited to only two different events. Okay, so in order to draw our two-way tables, we need to draw a 3x3 table. Okay, so 3 columns and 3 rows. On top of that, we have headings, all right? So our heading for this column is going to be A. Oh, let's undo that. Undo. And I'll actually write A. So our heading for this column is going to be A. All right? So I'm going to talk about two events, A and B. So for event A, we have two possible outcomes. We have A occurs, or we have A doesn't occur. All right? This column's called total. Note here, guys, I'm using A dash to mean not A. All right. So for this row, we're going to label them B and not B. Yet again, I use B dash to mean not B, and then total down at the bottom. So in this square, all right, notice it lines up with A and B. So that means both A and B have occurred. Okay, so if somebody had A and B, then that number would go in there. Here we have A has not occurred, so not A, but B has occurred. So we have not A and B. Down here we have A has occurred, but not B. And down here we have not A and not B. So these totals, all right, if we have a look at the two cells that make up this total, we have A and B, we have not A and B. All right, so this one here is actually the total amount of times that B has occurred, because both of these cells are times when B has occurred. So this is our total number of B's. All right, underneath this we have our total number of not B's. Down here we have all the times that A has occurred, and we have all the times that A hasn't occurred. And then finally in the bottom right hand corner we have our entire total. So if we have B plus not B, that will give our total. If we have A plus not A, that will give our total. These should, A plus not A and B plus not B, should add up to give the same number. If they don't, then you've probably made a mistake somewhere in your calculations.